Good morning and welcome to my Analyze the Deal, Understanding the Calculations Made Easy. What I'm going to do in this video is show you simple interest, compound interest, and then a little bit later on we're going to talk about present value. Okay, now this information, what I'm going to do with this is teach you how to analyze the deal. Okay, we're going to start off with some basic things like simple interest, compound interest, and present value. What present value means. You may have heard it. Now, this is only meant for educational purposes, and no matter how much you analyze the deal mathematically, doesn't mean your deal is going to be a success. Okay, so I'm helping you learn how to do the numbers, which will give you a greater chance. But then there's a lot of other factors, market factors, that can get involved in determining whether you're going to be a success or not. So we're going to talk about simple interest, compound interest, and present value. And these are all on my webpage called myrecalcs.com, which is myrealestatecalculations.com. So let's get started with it. All right, what I'm going to do here is, so I'll go over here to Excel. All right, this one's going to be simple interest. And I'll say, this is Excel if you know how to use it. It's a great tool. Okay, let's just start off. Let's say you're 18 years old. Let me get back there. 18. And this is going to be year one, and you're going to save $100. Okay, I'll center these here. Make it a little bit easier. What we're going to do is we're going to say if you take that $100, all right, and you put that away, what's that going to be worth when you're 60 years old? All right, I'm going to just freeze this. So this is going to be your interest rate. Center that, make that look better. And this is going to format this so that this is interest. Okay. So, beginning of year one, you put $100 away, and you get 5% interest on that. What's that going to be worth? So you're going to have that plus that, $105. All right. Year two, you have $105. You still have 5% interest. Now this is simple interest. So you're not making interest on interest. Okay, that's compound interest, which we're going to look at in a minute. So at the end of year two, you're going to have $110. And then what we can do here is just copy this down and it should work. Okay. So you're getting $5 every year. This isn't, you're not putting additional money away. End of year three, you're going to have $115, $120 down here. Age 60, you'll have $315. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this whole format over, okay? And we'll make some changes to it because this is going to be compound interest. Where is it here? All right. So the difference between the two, compound interest and simple interest, is that compound interest, you make interest on your interest, okay? So that this is going to be 5% times the money you made before. So you're going to have 5 1/4. Year one, you have 5% on $100. Year two, you're making 5 1/4. Okay, $5.25. And we're going to copy that down. So you could say here In year 43, when you're 60 years old, you're still making $5 because that's simple interest. Over here, you're making compound interest. That's $38 that you're making. The total that you have saved is 315 versus 815 with the compound interest. Okay, so you've made an additional $500 with compound interest. So that's the power of compounding. Just to give you another illustration on that, let's just say we want to do that plus 1. Okay, and we're going to copy that down. This will be 1 month. All right, we're going to say there's 30 days in this month. April, June, and November. 30 days has September. Okay, let's just say you have 1 penny, and that doubles every day. Okay, so day 2 you have 2 cents. All right. End of the week you have 64 cents because this is going to double every day, and that makes it really simple, doubling a penny every day. But watch what happens to it. Let me format this so you can see it a little bit better. At the end of 30 days, if you double that, you have $5 million, $5.4 million almost. That's the power of compounding. Now, this is kind of an extreme example because you're not going to be able to, double your money every day, but gives you an example of the power of compounding versus just simple interest. Okay.